The message of change has reached each and every corner of the nation of Zimbabwe. What is left is for the people in the Republic of Zimbabwe to register to vote in their numbers. What is left is for the people in the diaspora to consider supporting the cause, to consider donating or coming to actually vote this year, 2023. We have seen the ruling party trying to stop Advocate Mumisha, but they are failing. The message has reached each and every doorstep. That is what we want. We want to see each and every young person registering to vote and voting this 2023, because we have a future to secure. We have a future to live. So the message each and every day is register to vote. Make sure that you vote. Make sure that all the people around you are voting. Not only voting, but voting for the political party which is going to bring change. Advocate Mumisha.